Hey creatives, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alifera Silva and I'll be really glad if you're to take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Okay, so as you all have read by the title that it is a mini haul, like I'm doing a haul video on my channel for the very first time, and this haul video includes online haul video and street haul video. And before we begin with the video, first of all, thank you so much for all the love on my previous video. Thanks a lot, and more cooking videos are coming your way. In fact, some people are shocked that Elifa De Silva can cook. So let's begin with our first haul video on my channel. So first, what should we begin with, online or street? I guess we should start with street because online have a lot to explain and I'll be back on that. But first, let's do street haul. Okay, so to begin with, as I told you all that my college is beginning, so I brought these black jeans. Okay, can I see? Okay, I got this black jeans from Vasai station. For those who stay in Vasai, please go and get these. Are really cute, and it is like full body fit, skin fit jeans, and I personally loved, and it's black in shade, and I love black color a lot, and it is really good. And when it comes to college, we need bags, and yes, I did get a bag. Okay, so I brought this cute peach color bag, and I never had peach color bag in my entire life. So I thought, why not go for some other color, because earlier I only used to go with black color, and black color. I used to not explore any other colors, so I was like, let's try. I am having this really cute bag, and it have two zips, like two sections. One is the bigger one. Okay, this is the bigger one. Then I have the smaller section here to keep your phones or sanitizer or ID cards or anything for your college. And then here I have the pockets, and here as well. And the keychain thing is there. It's really cute, and the detailing of the cats. Wow, so pretty. And I absolutely love this because first of all, it is like cute and it is spacious, so that is thing that matters the most. So yes, these were the two street things that I brought, and now let's get on to our next section, that is the online haul. And I have got I can't explain how happy I am right now. Like, I wanted this thing from so long, long, and I finally got them. I brought glasses, and I brought it from Amazon, and it has like it comes in a set of 3 for $3.99. It includes 3 different types of glasses, and I got the delivery a lot earlier. And the next thing that I'm going to show, the delivery came really late. Like on the day I'm shooting, on that day the delivery came, and as soon as I got them, I started shooting because this video was pending because I had all the stuffs done. Only the thing that I brought had not come, so I had to wait till that thing delivers. So now it has come. So the sunglasses came really early, but I thought that I'll do all the entire haul together. So here I have my first sunglasses. I'm having 3. I'll show you one by one. This is, I so love this, and guys, I'm obsessing over round glasses, sunglasses. Look, it is really good. I absolutely love this one. A black in shade, like the glass is in black. The next I have, this is kind of squarish, not squarish actually, but a kind of squarish, and I don't wear these. My sister normally wears this, so you'll be seeing this in the side clip because I look really bad. Okay, so these are really good. My sister looks really good in these. I don't look good because it don't suit my face. So these glasses look a lot bigger than my face. So, and the glass is in black shade again. And now the last and the least sunglasses is, these are again in round shape, but the thing is it is transparent. See, I can see the camera. See, these are in transparent thing. So these are, I love these glasses. It looks really cool and it never goes out of style, trust me. And don't worry, I'll be putting the link of these glasses in the description, so you all may go and see for yourself. I got, any guesses? No guesses? Let me tell you, I got phone cases. Oh my god, those are so pretty phone cases. Like, it have my heart. So first of all, I brought 6 phone cases. 2 were for my two cousins. They needed phone cases, so I don't have their proper photo, but see here, like you all may see, there are 6. So and 2 phone cases my sister took, and 2 phone cases I took it for myself. And there is a link called Ink Me Silly. I'll be putting that in the description, don't worry. So in that you all get phone cases, pop sockets, like you all know pop sockets, right? If I don't know, I'll be showing that to you all, don't worry. Wait, I'll show it right now. Okay, so if you all are familiar with this back cover, for those who know me, okay, so this is my old phone case, old one, and the design that is there, I did it with acrylic paints. And this is a pop socket, you all know, right? This. Okay, so the pop sockets are for 99 on that side. The phone cases are for 99. There are notebooks, there are pouches. I didn't buy pouches, I didn't buy notebooks because I was like, first let the phone cases come, then I will decide if I really want the notebooks. So I didn't buy the notebooks, but it is for 99. And then I have these. Then I brought this cute pouch, cute coin pouch. It is so cute and so adorable. If I'm using the word cute ज़्यादा, please forgive me. So cute, like so cute. Oh my god, I loved it. It's really good. And then coming to the phone cases. So first I'll show you all the phone cases of my sister and then I'll show mine. Okay. So first phone case of my sister is, okay, I'll remove it out and show it to you all. Is this. This is so pretty. Look at this. The design and the touch is really good. I personally loved this, and it is black in color, and come on, black never goes out of style. Then my sister brought this one. This is in peaches shade, like that, pink or peach shade. See this? On the camera it looks like pink, but it is pink, but it is little dark than the baby pink, and this is really cute. Look at this. Look at the cuteness on this phone case. So okay, so time for the next one. Okay, so these were the two phone cases that my sister took, and now coming back to my phone cases, I took this one. I'll be attaching the photos, so don't worry about that. I need my space. It is so pretty, and black color, guys. Look at this, so pretty. And trust me, this one was for 99. In fact, all the phone cases that I showed earlier are for 99 only. And then the last one that I brought is, मैंने phone पे भी लगा दिया, is this Hello Sunshine. उल्टा दिखेगा, पर Hello Sunshine लिखा है, and there's a rainbow and it is pastel bluish shade. It is so adorable. Oh my god, like I loved it because when I was shopping from that site, I saw this and like it looks so positive, like positive vibes just come rushing to you. So I thought I need to buy this one. So because the colors are like a rainbow thing is there, and then Hello Sunshine and all, I was like, wow, yeah, I need to buy this one. So I brought 2 phone cases for myself, 2 phone cases for sister, and 2 phone cases for my cousins. So I'll be attaching the photos as I saw earlier. So yeah, and all the phone cases and the cutest pouch was for 693 something. Yeah, and if you all shop more than 2 phone cases or more than 2 notebooks or anything more than 2, then you all don't get the shipping charges. But if you all buy only 1 phone case or 1 notebook, then the shipping charges are being charged. Link I'll be adding it in the description box. One problem of this site is the delivery is really late. Like after 8 or 15 days you all will get the delivery. That is the only thing that was stopping me from doing this video, because I had all those stuffs ready, just the phone cases had not come. I had ordered the phone cases on 14th Feb and it came now on 20th Feb, like 2-week gap. So the delivery is late, that is the only problem. Other everything is really good, but the wait of the phone cases to come is really worth it. Look at this, how pretty this looks. And so if you all want any of these to buy, any of these products, online products you all want to buy, I'll be putting the link in the description, so you all may go and buy that. The video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And guys, thank you so much for all the love. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are really close to 300 subscribers. Come on, let's get 300 subscribers. And on the day when we complete 300 subscribers, there is a surprise. So please, come on, go and subscribe right now. I am waiting for you guys. You all still didn't go, by the way. Come on, go and subscribe. Those who went and really subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys so much. And I will see you all next time.